back to my channel. Today we are going to make a cherry pineapple dump cake. So you need to preheat your oven to 350 degrees and get out your 9x13 pan, and let's get started. So you're going to take cherry pie filling and you're going to put that in the bottom of your baking dish. That'll be your first layer. And then you're going to take a can of crushed pineapple. And you are going to stir these together. Dreamy, breezy, we go. What we're doing, and you need a white cake mix. You could probably get by with a yellow, but white would be better. And go ahead and sprinkle that on the top. And then I kind of swish it around a little bit, kind of move it around, make sure everything's covered. And the next thing you'll do is slice up 1.5 sticks of butter. This is real butter that I'm using. And doesn't have to be perfect or anything. Go ahead and place this on your cake. You're gonna bake this for about 45 minutes to an hour. And that oven temperature is supposed to be 350. All right, I'll see y'all back here in a few. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. You need to make sure that you watch it and it don't burn. It's just a basic cherry pineapple cobbler type dump cake, just like all the others that we make. This is just a different flavor combination. You're going to make a peach dump cake. 3 ingredients, that's it, and it will be done. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You're going to want to get a 9x13 pan out. Can be glass or metal, doesn't matter. I prefer glass. And you're going to need a 20-ounce can of peaches in syrup, and I got the sliced ones. Then you're going to need a white cake mix, and you're just going to dump this on top. Easy on our tiptoes. You don't have to get a name brand. This one is a name brand, but you don't have to. Just kind of make sure your fruit's covered best you can. Okay, and then you need 1.5 sticks of butter, and I use real butter. Hey, now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. All right, that's it. Bake it uncovered, 350 degrees for about 45 minutes to an hour, and then it's done. I'll see you back here when it's done. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished product. I let it rest a little bit before I served it, and you can put vanilla ice cream on top or some Cool Whip, but it's really cheap and quick and easy, and only 3 ingredients.